Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, but what are you doing here?
Just to meet you. I was getting bored in home, so that I come to meet you.
If you have met me, then go.
Maybe he has come to you for listening a story.
I am always ready to tell a story. Do you really want to listen?
Maybe he wants to hear a scary story. No. Or maybe motivational story or moral story.
Okay, then I will tell you a story which you will like very much and will inspire you. This story is about a man who is poor, but with hard work, that man become rich and also fulfill his dream.
I am so excited to listen this story.
Okay. Small car garage where Arjun worked. His hands were rough from years of hard work, but his heart still held the dreams he had as a child. When he was young, Arjun wanted to become the world's best car designer. But life did not go as planned, and he had to give up his dreams to help his struggling family. Arjun's love for car came from his grandfather, a talented mechanic. As a child, Arjun would sit with his grandfather, watching him fix engines and explain how cars worked. One day, Arjun, his grandfather, would say, "You will design a car that everyone will admire." Inspired by his grandfather's words, Arjuna spent hours drawing car designs in his notebook, dreaming of creating something amazing. But when his grandfather fell ill, Arjun had to leave school and work in the family garage to support them. Now in his late 20s, Arjun worked hard in garage, earning just enough to take care of his family. Despite the tough times, he never lost his creativity. He had a unique talent for giving old cars a fresh look. Customers loved how he could make their cars look new and often paid him extra for his work. In his free time, Arjun still sketched car designs on scraps of paper, quietly holding on to his dream. One day, a fancy car pulled into the garage. The owner, Mr. Kapoor, was a wealthy businessman who seemed impatient. "Fix it quickly," he said, handing the keys to Arjun. As always, Arjun worked carefully, not just repairing the car but also improving its look. He adjusted the headlights, polished the body, and added some small touches that made the car look even better than before. When Mr. Kapoor came back, he was amazed. "Who did this?" he asked, pointing to the car.
Looks like Arjun did not do right to that rich man's car.
"Don't interrupt." "I did, sir," Arjun replied nervously. "You have an incredible talent," Mr. Kapoor said, smiling. "I know someone who owns a car manufacturing company. They are looking for creative people like you. Would you be interested?" Arjun's heart raced. This was the chance he had been waiting for. That evening he told his family about the offer. His mother cried tears of joy and his siblings cheered for him. Encouraged by their support, Arjun decided to take the leap. The car factory was huge and full of advanced machines. Arjun was both excited and nervous as he started his new job. However, his co-workers weren't kind. They mocked him for his simple background and lack of formal education. "You think you can design cars?" one of them sneered. "Stick to fixing them." Arjun did not let their words bring him down. He worked day and night, studying car designs, learning models, trends, and improving his skills. His first few designs weren't perfect, and some even failed during tests. But Arjun did not give up. He learned from his mistakes and kept trying. Over time, his hard work paid off. Arjun started creating designs that were truly unique. He combined beauty with efficiency, making cars that look amazing and perform even better. One of his designs, a small electric car with a futuristic look, became a huge success. It had solar panels, advanced technology, and a bold design that no one had seen before. Sales skyrocketed, and the factory's owner, Mr. Mehra, noticed. "Arjun, you have extraordinary gift," Mr. Mehra said. "I want you to lead our design team." As the head of the design team, Arjun's confidence grew. He started monitoring younger designers, sharing his knowledge and encouraging them to think creatively. He also introduced new ways to speed up the design process, make the factory more efficient. Thanks to his efforts, and the factory gained international fame. Car magazines wrote about his work, and people eagerly waited to see his next design. Even with his success, Arjun faced challenges. Rival companies tried to hire him, and some critics questioned his abilities. But Arjun stayed humble and focused. He often visited his old garage and talked to kids about chasing their dreams just like he had. Years later, Arjun stood on a big stage, holding an award for being the world's best car designer. As he looked at the trophy, he thought about his grandfather and the lesson he had learned in the garage. With tears in his eye, he dedicated the award to his grandfather. "This isn't just my dream," Arjun said to audience. "It's the dream of everyone who dares to hope. No matter how hard life gets, never give up on your dreams." After the event, Arjun announced a scholarship program for kids who wanted to study car design but could not afford it. He also started a mentorship program at the factory to help young talented like himself. Arjun's journey from a small garage to international fame was the proof that hard work and determination could make any dream come true. As the audience gave him a standing ovation, Arjun knew his grandfather would have been proud. The dream they had once shared was now a reality.
I liked this story very much. I also liked this story. If you guys like this story, like and subscribe to this channel.